Okay, so we got this smart lock that they sent to us so that we could show it to you. And it's got a lot of really cool features. It's got, like, you can unlock with fingerprint, you can unlock with a key, you can unlock with the app, you can do it with password, you can do it, you know, with the little passcode, punching in the numbers and stuff. This is going to be super handy because if the voice unlock works, it's going to be really handy for us because my partner's blind, and right now trying to fit a key into a keyhole or trying to punch in a code into a key code thing, it's harder. And so this one, if you could just voice activate it, we're going to see if that works or not. We've had smart locks before, and not this brand, but we've had them before, and they just did not work very well. So we're, I mean, they worked, say, half the time, 3/4 of the time, something like that. You know, like you punch in the code and then it goes, didn't work, and then you punch in the code again and it say it didn't work, and then you punch it in really, really super duper 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 slow, and then they're like, okay, maybe we'll unlock it now. So I don't know. We'll see how this works. We'll just see. Anyway, let's just see what's in here. We got the manual. We got some templates. And let's see. Wi-Fi smart lock door lock. App control user guide. That's for the app. Looks like. This is... looks like a little flowchart type of a thing. Voice menu operation card. Okay, so it's got first time activation and how to do different things like administrator, general use, system settings, things like that. So we're going to study that later. And let's see what we got in here. Let's just see. This is probably the lock function. It's oh, that's the deadbolt on that side. So that's the deadbolt side there, and this is the keypad side over here, and there's the little pin that goes through the doorknob there. I took it out of its little plastic wrapper there. You can see there's where your thumbprint or your fingerprint ID goes, right there on that little flat spot there. And yeah, so there's that part. And let's see what else we got. This is a bunch of hardware, and this is for just the regular part of the doorknob right there, the regular doorknob, and then you got the deadbolt part is that part right there. So you got different pieces there. And then let's see what's back here. You got some little Ziploc bags with hollow wall anchor, looks like. Is that what that is? No, that's just a screw. And oh, there's the keys and screws, and there's another one with some more screws, and then I think that's all except for whatever's in this little white box here. So let's just take a look and see. Oh, that's another latch part of it there. So anyway, yeah, we're going to get this put together and get it installed here sometime in the next few days. I got to have some help with it because I have some arthritis in my thumb. I have a hard time doing stuff like this anymore, so I guess we'll wait till I get some help here.